The three of us often talk about and write about visiting seed trials. On this occasion we're all together at Mr. Fothergill's.
On a beautiful day.
Yeah. Val, what's caught your eye here today?
Well, I have to say the marigolds are looking superb, and I love to see the new introductions of anything, but the dahlias in particular have caught my eye because it's lovely to see what's coming along in the way of collections for next year that people can buy and use in their own garden and create the kind of, well, just impression that they get here and the exhibition of it all. I mean, it's just lovely to see the different sizes and shapes. Yeah.
Well, are you in line with this then, Steve? I mean, because presumably you have to come to some agreement of what's taken out.
The thing is, what we tend to do when we come here is we split up, and I always just walk around. I don't do any of the tours, which can cost you. I'll explain in a minute. But I've looked at a lot of the veg. I mean, the thing is that things like the lettuce and the spinach and the beetroot, you know, there's always this problem with bolting, especially when you've had cold soil in the spring, which can promote bolting, and then the hot weather that we've had, which can promote bolting. So you've got those two factors. Either one of them can be a problem. And just looking at some of these veg, seeing the ones that haven't bolted, because I think what people forget, if you do come to a trial grounds, it's not about a perfect garden. It's about, as much as anything else, it's two things. A, what works, and B, what doesn't work. And, you know, that's really what it's all about. But what I say it costed me not doing the tour is that you've probably noticed there are absolutely massive sunflowers here.
There are indeed.
And I took some photographs of them, and a voice behind me said, I was looking in the catalogue to see it so I could record it for the photographs I'd taken. And this voice behind me said, "You won't find them in there, mate." It said, "That's a staff competition to see who can find the biggest sunflower."
So there you are. I'm afraid I always head straight to zinnias. I like to grow them sown direct in late April, early May. Great cut flowers. But we'll be bringing you all kinds of new plants and new ideas in the coming weeks and months, thanks to these trips. And thanks to you too.
It's a pleasure.
Welcome, we've enjoyed it.